young explorers. Welcome back to Learning with Little School. Today, I'm taking you on a super fun adventure to discover street food in London. Are you ready? Let's go. First stop, Camden Town. Oh wow, here we have yummy pizza. Can you smell it? It smells like cheesy heaven. And look at those toppings. Pepper, mushrooms, and olives. It's like a colorful pizza party. Biting into a warm slice of pizza makes me so happy. Now let's check out some fresh juice. Look at those vibrant colors, orange, green, and red. Drinking fresh juice makes me feel refreshed and energized. And here we have fruit skewers. They look so juicy and sweet. Biting into a fresh fruit skewer is like a burst of sunshine in my mouth. Camden Town is full of delicious surprises. Now, let's hop over to Borough Market. Look, there's a stand selling fresh pasta. It looks so yummy. You can add salt, pepper, and even cheese. The pasta tastes like a warm hug on a cold day. Oh, what's that smell? It's curry rice. The spices make it smell amazing. Adding a bit of salt and pepper can make the flavors pop. Eating curry rice makes me feel adventurous. Let's find something fresh. How about a salad? This one looks so colorful with tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. Eating salad makes me feel healthy and strong. Now here's a stand with sizzling skewers. They taste smoky and juicy. The sizzling sound makes me so excited to try them. Adding just a bit of salt makes them perfect. And don't forget the sweet treats. Ice cream makes everybody happy, right? It feels cold and creamy and tastes like a dream. Eating ice cream makes me feel like I'm floating on a cloud. Here's a fun fact. We can use different words to describe how food makes us feel. Eating pizza makes me happy. Drinking cold lemonade makes me feel refreshed. And trying new foods makes me feel adventurous. So next time you're in London, make sure to visit Camden Town and Borough Market. Try all the delicious street food. Thanks for coming on this tasty adventure with me. See you next time, and happy exploring. Learning with Little School. Bye-bye.